Hello dear subscribers. Today we have Ford 500. It's a 2005 model. It's a great car and I've done a lot of repairs on that. So basically I replace engine mounts, engine torque mount, EGR valve, fuel pressure sensor, new spark plugs, ignition coils new, intake manifold new, intake manifold gaskets new on this car, air filter new, fuel filter new, sway bar links, left and right side new, shock struts and coil springs assembly new, both sides, right and left. Control arm assembly, which comes with everything. It's 2 bushings, ball joint, left and right new, and what else? Oh, front, inner and outer tie rods new, left and right side, tie rods ends new, left and right sides, alignment done, oil change, AC works on this car. So it's I spent a lot of money on this beautiful car. It's and it's got fog lights, everything works. It's got alloy wheels, all the power window, everything works. I don't have a remote key for that. I need to check with Ford if they can make me one. Got few little dents. Here's one tiny, but then nice alloy wheels. And here's the back. I believe I bought it from my neighbor, and he said an old lady used to drive this car. Apparently she didn't do anything to the whatever you call it, drivetrain or whatever, the rods and joint balls and all that. And here's a little dent. Somebody got scratch here, which is not too bad. Yep. Nice tires, nice alloy wheels. Everything works on this car. Power mirrors, power windows. Let's see inside. Here's inside. Central lock. Oh, that one. It all works. Okay, hopefully I'm not gonna lock it. Windows works. And rear 1, 2, both sides. This one is going automatically if you push harder, so it works. The rear right works. And what we got here? No engine light. It was a engine light saying oil low, whatever time to change, so I changed the oil. Runs very smooth, you couldn't even hear it, very nice. AC works. If I'll figure out how to use it. How the temperature? This? Yep. Yep, and that's got climate control, and then radio works. Everything works here. Got some compartments here, mirrors. It's all working, yeah. Let's see.
Like to me, that just shows.
Yeah, to you it just shows that compartment. Here's another one. I've got all these buttons here. All these buttons. What else here? Back. Nice car. I've done a lot of work to it. If anybody gonna get it, he's gonna get very nice vehicle. You need to pause it. There's engine running. So all the engine mounts there. This one. It's another one there. I replaced all the new, brand new ignition coils on the back also, and the spark plugs. So I took the intake manifold, replaced all the gaskets on the intake manifold, and then it's a EGR valve here. I put brand new just in case, since I already took whatever. After I took the intake manifold, I decided just to replace everything there: ignition coils, spark plugs, whatever in the back. The main thing is, yeah, that's a EGR valve and ignition coils with spark plugs. It runs smooth, very nice. Oil change. Then to open the back, you gotta push that button, and then I don't have a cover for that. I do have it. I washed it, so it's drying. It's got spare donut. It's all inflated, all good. It's all nice. I need to clean here a little, but it's fairly clean. So if anybody interested, give me a call at 937-510-1263, and also I'll video that paper, what's been done to it. That way you can pause it and read. Here we go. Maybe like that. So yeah, just pause it and you'll know what's there. Nice car. Nice car. Okay, beautiful weather. Rainy, nice. I'll say that's it. Short video. A new arrival comes in 2 weeks. I mean, they coming earlier, but I'm gonna get them from Florida, the mini trucks, probably in 2 weeks. It's gonna be 2 more mini trucks, and one of them is gonna be very nice one, newer model, 1999 Mitsubishi mini cab. It's got probably everything there: airbags, AC, different cab, bigger bigger bed. So I'll post another video when they will arrive. Have a blessed day.